Rohan, my sister Ria's birthday is next week. We need to plan something special.
You're right. How about a surprise party?
That's a great idea. Let's make a list of everything we need.
Okay, first, the guest list. Who should we invite?
All her close friends, of course, and our cousins.
I'll create a WhatsApp group to coordinate with everyone. What about the theme?
She loves Bollywood. Let's do a Bollywood theme.
Perfect. We can have everyone dress up as their favorite actors.
Look at these decorations. They're perfect for a Bollywood theme.
We need lots of balloons, streamers, and some posters of her favorite movies.
I'll get some fairy lights to create a festive atmosphere.
And we need some props for a photo booth, like funky glasses and hats.
Let's also get some disposable plates and cups to make cleanup easier.
Good idea. I'll grab a pack of colorful napkins, too.
Now for the most important part, the cake.
I've got the recipe for her favorite chocolate cake.
I'll help you with the baking. Let's make it extra special.
We can decorate it with some edible glitter and a happy birthday sign.
What about snacks? We should have some popcorn, samosas, and maybe some chaat.
I'll make a list and we can go shopping for the ingredients tomorrow.
The decorations are up, the food is ready, and the music is set. Everything looks amazing.
I've told everyone to arrive by 7 p.m. Ria will be here at 7:30.
I'm so excited. I can't wait to see the look on her face.
This is going to be the best surprise ever.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe you all did this for me.
Happy birthday, sis! We wanted to make it special for you. We hope you have the best birthday ever.
Thank you so much. This is the best surprise I could have ever asked for. I love you guys.